Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tile saw for contractors that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Ymer CombiCut 250 VA Tile Wet Tile Saw. Execute the most challenging cuts with this Ymer tile saw, which is equipped with a 1.75 HP high torque motor, 110 volts, 15A, a laser guide for high precision, a decent stock blade, and a sturdy stand. 4 things that will simplify all types of tile and marble cutting that you do. But what we love the most about this tile saw is its stand, which is wide and strong enough to help you with most tasks. It can facilitate tiles of up to 28 inches in size, even more, if you are going for the plunge cut. Then there is the quality. Since it's made of aircraft-grade aluminum, it's easier to move around. Although, we don't recommend doing that because the most powerful rail tile saws work best and last longer when you have a designated spot for them. This may not be possible all the time, but we still recommend keeping the movements to a minimum. Another reason for that recommendation is the poor water containment, which is messy at best. Getting an additional pump is, therefore, recommended. Another drawback is that tiles can slide on the tray if you don't hold them properly, owing to the lack of rubber discs, which you can buy separately. Cleaning and maintaining it are easy despite the bulky frame. Just use some WD-40 and you are good to go for the long haul. With a silent motor that starts slow and provides consistently great power to cut through different materials, we consider the Ymer Combi 250 VA model as the best of the best in the market right now. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ruby DX 250 plus 1400 laser and level bridge tile saw. Sometimes you want a heavy-duty bridge saw that can cut through all types of materials. Tiles, marble, granite, bricks, you name it. The challenge with these materials is that they are often broader than the humble tiles, requiring the saw to have a larger blade, a wider cut angle, and good depth. The DX250 by Ruby Tools USA is an all-rounder in that regard, providing you more power, 2 HP, unmatched versatility, plunge effect and deeper cut lengths, and a large cutting frame. Especially when you compare it with the Ymer model above, the winner is evident if you are looking for raw cutting energy. The best tile saw for large format tiles, the DX250 also comes with a dust-proof mechanism. While dust particles still do scatter, depending upon the material being sawed, it's more controlled than the competition models. The blade cooling pump is adjustable, which is another tiny feature that we like. Overall, this should be your first choice if you are a contractor or a construction specialist who works with different materials day in and day out. It will save you a lot of money and trouble. At number 3, we have the Husqvarna TS90 Professional Tile Saw. Thankfully, this Husqvarna tile saw is equally charismatic, with an ergonomic setup and heavy-duty motor. Cut through small and large tiles or go for heavy-duty bricks, and this robust machine will provide you precision-based trims, straight and diagonal cuts, all with minimal water wastage and high power efficiency. This is marketed as a tool for the tile and repair business, mostly because of its high versatility for diagonal cuts, plunge effect, and tough build. It is easy to clean, comes with a water tank pump combination, and maintain, and allows you with a wide variety of accessory options, such as diamond blades of different types. With a price that is slightly higher than its immediate competitors, Husqvarna has built a tile saw that is great for contractors and DIYers alike. If you believe in the age-old adage that, you get what you pay for, don't look further. At number 2, we have the IQTS 244 Dry Cut Tile Saw. Professionals who believe in and recommend dry tile sawing can stop their hunt and lock the IQTS 244 as the best dry tile saw. It has everything that you need. OSHA-compliant vacuum for pure dust-free tile sawing, 1.5 HP motor that provides precision and power, sharp blade for the cleanest cut, and easy portability. While some of those are provided by the other brands too, portability and dust-free non-messy tile sawing is something exclusive to IQ Power Tools. It rightly markets its star product as the world's first dry-cut tile saw with integrated dust control, and we approve of it. Its automatic vacuum function captures 99.5% dust, which is very good for a machine with so much output power and a large work area. The 10 inches Q-drive blade is enough for most types of materials including porcelain tiles and marbles. And if that is not enough, you can shop around for alternatives and affix the right blade for more versatile cuts. And finally at number 1, we have the DeWalt D36000S portable wet tile saw for contractors. DeWalt loyalists should go with this D36000S model and forget about all their tile sawing concerns. Why, you may ask? Well, in addition to the brand guarantee, you also get a high-speed precision motor, a durable build that will work for years, and a modular tray system that puts all the struggles with water containment out of the window. With this DeWalt wet tile saw, you can focus on getting a clean cut and doing it faster than any other model on this list. 4,200 RPM is no small deal. In our survey, we did find that the lack of a laser guide put off some users. But you don't have to worry because DeWalt makes up for it with its cut line indicator that is as good as a laser beam. Moreover, in any case, a lack of a laser guide is not a deal breaker when you have so much going on at an affordable price.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.